my channel, Josam here, and today's video, kung nababasa niyo sa title, yes, I am going to do a collective haul and a giveaway na rin. Kasi June is my birth month and I wanna thank you all for supporting this channel, though 100M, though maliit lang yung channel na to, but since it's my birthday, I wanna give back to my supporters. And gusto ko na rin magpasalamat sa mga birthday gifts na ibinigay nyo sa akin. Alam nyo na kung sino kayo. And for the giveaway, guys, please watch this video until the end para sa mechanics ng pag-giveaway ko. So, without further ado, let us begin. So, yung first na item na ipapakita ko sa inyo ay hindi siya beauty related pero like fashion related, basta ganun, basta mga ganun. So ito yung binili ko. This is a Zumba Sando. Yan. Kasi magbabalik alinggaw tayo. Magbabalik alinggaw tayo. Ewan ko kung when ako mag-start, but yeah. And this one, maroon siya pero parang orange siya sa video, sa camera, pero maroon to. Yan. And then, bumili din ako ng shoes or parang kids din, or kids. Basta parang ganun. Pero Peter Pat yung yung brand. Peter Pat training shoes para kay Dwayne. Obviously, para kay Dwayne. So, binili ko siya kasi 199 pesos na lang siya. Dalawa. Actually, dalawa yung binili ko nito. Yung isa ginamit na ni Dwayne. At ito, yan. Parang socks na shoes. Basta yung ganun. Yung merong mga grip dito. So, yun. And next item is this. Or this pala. So, ito yung turbans. Binili ko actually lahat ng colors. So, mayroong blue, may green, may black, may maroon, may gray, at saka may brown. So, yun. Yun ang mga binili ko. And nabili ko to pala sa Mamarazzi. If you happen to go to Cologne, guys, nandun siya. Mamarazzi yung name ng kanyang store. Across siya ng Unitab. Or across siya ng UC or University of Cebu. 35 pesos each lang to doon sa Mamarazzi. Next item is itong choker. Hindi ako nag-choker, guys, pero ita-try ko mag-choker. Basta ita-try ko kung bagay ba siya sa akin. Kasi alam niyo naman, malaki yung yung leeg. But anyway, I bought some chokers. Ito, nabili ko to sa Izelim. 25 pesos lang siya each. Yun. And then, I also got myself though ito binili ko for myself. At mabibili nyo to sa aking online shop. Ito yung parang Valentino inspired na flats. Kasi wala kong ganito. So, ayun. Okay, guys. And next is beauty related items na naman tayo. And I am also going to do an unboxing sa aking Zalora, Lazada, at saka sa Althea na pinurchase. But first, I am going to show you yung mga makeups na nabili ko, or some of these are given to me by a friend, and basta yung mga loved ones ko. And first item that I am going to show you is this. Nabili ko to siya sa Shopee kasi wala akong hair curler, nawala yung sa akin. Meron atang hiram pero hindi na binalik, kaya bumili na lang ako ng bago. I don't know kung kung effective pa to. Hindi ko pa siya na-try actually. Kasi yung buhok ko, hindi siya masyadong kumukurl. I think this is only 250 pesos sa Shopee. Ilalagay ko yung link on the description box kung saan ko siya nabili. So, yan. And this one as well. So, nabili ko tong organizer na to sa aking online shops. Sa aking online shop. And just check it out. Kung gusto nyo to, just check it out on my online shop. So, this is the organizer, cosmetic organizer. Hindi ko na lang siya bubuksan guys ha. Kasi, assemble ko pa siya. So, ilalagay ko na lang yung picture dito. Also got the LTDs kasi gusto ko rin gumawa ng swatches nito, ng LTD. Meron silang 12 shades na available, pero kinuha ko is 6 kasi meron nata ko nung nakaraan. So, I got the shades, Cashmere Blush, Private Bleach, Moody Merlot, Soft Cinnamon, Red Carpet, and Hotel Aries. So, ayun. Ito siya. This is 180. Yes, 180 guys. 180. And yung Ultra, yung EB Ultra Matte Lipsticks, 150 lang siya. Yan. Pero sa FB page nila, 165 ang nakalagay doon. But dito sa Cebu, yung kahit saan ko sila tignan, like sa Watsons at saka sa SM Department Stores, 150 lang talaga siya. And I also got the nudes, yung EB matte na lipsticks. Kasi gusto ko itong mga shades na to. So I got the shades Court, Mirrored Mocha, Skin, at saka Sexy Nudes. Sexy Nude lang pala. Yun. At dahil meron silang new na eyeliner pen. So, kinuha ko na rin yung all day eyeliner pen nila. So, ito. Actually, ito ata yung free. Hindi pala. So, yun. So, yung hindi ko pa sila nabuksan actually guys. Kasi plano kong gumawa ng first impression review and swatches ng mga ito. And last but not the least, guys, ito yung parang pinaka-expensive na gift na na-receive ko sa birthday ko ngayon. So, binilhan ako ng brothers ko ng cellphone. Ito yung Vivo 5S. Yan, Vivo 5S. And, actually ito siya. Ginamit ko na talaga siya. So, naka-charge ko siya ngayon. Wait. So, here's my cellphone. Yan. Yan. So, for the makeup, guys, I got a lot of makeups. Like, most of them are lipsticks and foundation siguro. So, first, I am going to show you yung nabili ko sa SM Department Store. So, I got this. Kasi wala pa ko nito yung Ever Belena eyeshadow palette. This is on the shade Browns. 165 ito sa Watsons or sa SM Department Store. And then, pero nakasila ata siya nung binili ko. Yung binili ko siya. So, I also got this EB Matte Two-Way Cake. Ayan, matte yan. Ayan. Meron siyang sponge at ito yung powder. This is on the shade Matte Golden Beige. Matte Golden Beige. And I also got myself a Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. Yan. Kasi plano kong i-review. Next are these Ever Belena na mga lipsticks. Ang daming lipsticks, guys. My goodness. So, let me show you first itong Ultra Matte lipsticks nila na nabili ko sa Watsons kasi nag-buy 2 take 1 sila at ginab ko yung opportunity na mabili silang lahat na shades. So, I got the shade Passion, Elegance, Sassy, Innocence, Seduction, and Royalty. So, meron silang 6 shades ng EB Ultra Matte Lipsticks. So, ito, kinuha ko sila lahat kasi buy 2 take 1. So, ang binili ko na lang talaga isa yung tatlo. And, yung tatlo, binili ko yung 4. So, yung 2 free na lang siya. And then, napapunta din ako sa HBC or sa Sansan. So, bumili ako nung kanilang, kasi nakasale ito 100 pesos na lang. Yeah, 100 pesos na lang itong, nila, Sansan HD High Definition 2-Way Cake with vitamins A, C, and E with SPF 15. So, ito yun. Hindi ko pa siya naggamit kasi meron pa akong ginagamit ngayon yung Ever Belena. So, yan. And then, kumuha din ako ng kanilang Creamy Matte Lip Stain. This is the Subdued Choco. Nude din siya. So, yun. Yan. And by the way, guys, yung Pink Sugar sa Watsons, sa Watsons Ayala, meron din silang, if you purchase worth 500 pesos, meron silang 3 na lipstick. Ito yung Pink Sugar HD lipstick. So, bumili ako ng eyebrow kit. This is the Honey I'm Good. This is on the shade Perfecto. 399 pesos siya. And then, bumili din ako ng kanyang Honey I'm Good Eyebrow Gel. This is 349 pesos. And by the way, guys, sa Pink Sugar, hindi kasali yung mga discounted items sa 500 pesos na worth of purchase para makakuha ka ng free lipstick. So, kaya, yun ang kinuha ko yung regular price lang. So anyway, I got this Pink Sugar HD lipstick. This is in the shade Wicked. So this is in the shade Wicked. Pumunta din ako ng detail makeover. Ito yun, kasi wala talaga akong lip liners, guys. And wala akong makita na lip liners na mayroong variety of shades at saka mura lang. So, napapunta ako ng detail makeover at yung lip liners nila, ang daming shades, I think 20 plus something yung shades ng kanilang lip liners. So, I got 3 lip liners. These are on the shade Daryl, Marlon, and Reggie. So, yun. And 99 pesos lang sila each. Yes. Yun. And, meron din ako dito binili na makeup tools. So, binili ko siya sa sa 138, yung laging pinagbilhan ko ng mga makeup tools. Ito yung fake na Anastasia na fan brush, yung malaking fan brush. So far, soft naman siya. Soft naman ang bristles niya. Yan. This is 120 pesos. And this Anastasia na fan brush as well na na maliit. This is 100 pesos. Yes, I think. Nakalimutan ko na talaga guys kasi matagal na to at hindi ko pa siya na-haul. And itong concealer brush, nakuha ko to sa Novo. I think this is only 30 pesos. Guys, I bought a unicorn brushes as well via Shopee. Ito yun, 5. This is Tarte inspired na unicorn brush. 5 pieces. This is only 180. Yes, 180 kasi naka-sale siya nung nabili ko siya. And I also got this 10 pieces unicorn brushes. And so far, okay naman yung bristles niya. At hindi pa siya umaalog-alog. Nilabhan ko na to guys. And hindi naman siya umaalog-alog. So ayun, I think this is good. Pero let's see. Ewan ko kung gagamitin ko ba siya or hindi. Basta. And nung meet and greet ni Michelle. Bakit Michelle? Nung meet and greet Michelle guys, binigyan kami ng benefit ng giveaway. So here it is. Ito yun. Ito yun. And I got this. What is this? Hindi ko pa to nakita talaga. Gimme Brow. Gimme Brow Microfiber Gel Volumizing Stains and Tinted. This one, this is the Gimme Brow. And sample size lang siya. And then, this as well, yung benefit na The Real Duo Shadow Blender. Ito. And then, meron pa din dito yung Their Real Double the Lip. Their Real Double the Lip. Let's see. Lipstick siya. So, yan. Meron siyang dark red sa ibabaw. And then, parang pink ata sa ibaba. Yun. Kaya pala double the lip. So, ayun. So, right now, guys, I am going to do the unboxing ng na-purchase ko sa Lazada, Zalora, at saka sa Althea, Korea. So, let me do the Zalora first kasi may dalawang package dito. And this I purchased last June pa ata. I mean, June pa lang naman ngayon, pero na-purchase ko like the first week of June. Kuha muna tayo ng gunting, okay? Kasi nung June 1 pala guys, nag 50% sale ng L'Oreal. Kasi nung June 1st guys, yung Zalora nag 50% off sila ng mga L'Oreal products. So, hinab ko na naman yung opportunity ng kanilang sale. So, ayun, napagastos. Pero, hindi talaga ako ang gumastos. Like, gift siya sa akin for my birthday. So, what's in here are the True Match Genius 4-in-1 Foundation and the Matte Magic 12-Hour Foundation. So, from 600 pesos yung True Match Genius, 300 na lang siya kasi 50% off nga. At saka yung Matte Magic, from 400 pesos, naging 200 pesos na lang siya. So, ito yun. Let's see. Basta ito siya yun. Ito siya guys. So, i-elaborate ko lang yung contents nito when I review this. And then, itong kanilang True Match Genius. I'm on the shade N1. Hindi ko pa alam kung ma-match siya sa aking skin tone, but hopefully, kasi ano siya, dark siya, pero okay na siguro siya sa aking face. The next is this. From L'Oreal again. And by the way, nung time na pinurchase ko to, 50% off yung L'Oreal pala, saka yung Maybelline. So, ayun. So, first in here is the True Match Lumi Cushion from L'Oreal. So, this is it. This is it. And then, next here is the Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Meron akong dalawang shades dito kasi hindi ko alam kung anong shade ako. So, I got the shade 103 and 106. So, ayan. Next here is the Dream Velvet. This is on the shade Honey Beige. Ayan. So, yun lang from Zalora. Next one, guys, is from Althea Korea. And na-purchase ko to, I think, last month pa, at hindi ko pa siya na-open. And some of the items here are for giveaways. So, let's see. And by the way guys, hindi siya yung bicep ng Althea Korea. Yung pinurchase ko doon ay like random stuff lang. Kung ano lang yung nakita ko. And yes. So, okay, meron silang binigay na this one is for the lips, I think. Lip mask. Yan. And I purchased this mist. Yan. Tatlong mist. Aloe vera mist from Nature Republic. So, I also got this Cover Perfection Pot Concealer from the same. Kasi I've heard a lot of things or reviews about this and gusto ko siyang ma-try. And since merong yung Althea Korea like free gift, or if you purchase like a certain amount, meron silang free on that day. So they give me the ginger sugar lip scrub. Hindi ko pa siya naggamit, as you can see. So that's it for my Althea Korea na unboxing. And ito from Lazada, na-receive ko lang siya kanina lang talaga. And this is also a gift from a dear friend. So, ayun. So, gustong-gusto ko yung Maybelline na Fit Me. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder. I'm on the shade Sun Beige. And then, next is itong Fit Me Shine Free Plus Balance. Basta ito. What's this? Foundation stick pala ng Fit Me. Fit Me Foundation Stick. And thank you so much sa aking brothers who bought this. And for the mechanics of my giveaways, guys, I will be giving 2 giveaways. One for my YouTube channel or for my YouTube subscribers, and one for my Instagram followers. So, and for the mechanics, you must be a subscriber to this channel or to my channel, and you must follow me on my social media accounts, like on my Facebook page and on my Instagram account. So I am going to put the link down below. And then third, you must comment any comment on the comment section box below, anything under the sun, and please include as well your email address and your Instagram name. That's it, guys. Hope you like this video, and thank you so much again for watching. Bye bye.
Now put your hands